Hunting food in First Avenue, Penang.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we explore the best travel destinations, cultural treasures, and of course, mouth-watering food. Today, I'm taking you to First Avenue Mall in Penang, a shopping haven that's also a paradise for food enthusiasts. Whether you're a local looking for new spots or a tourist wanting to taste Penang's diverse flavors, First Avenue has something for everyone. Let's dive in and discover the culinary gems this place has to offer.
A foodie's paradise in the heart of Georgetown.
Located right in the bustling heart of Georgetown, First Avenue Mall combines modern shopping with a wide variety of dining options. As I stepped into the food court on the top floor, I was greeted by the aroma of sizzling woks, freshly brewed coffee, and sweet desserts.
The food here mirrors Penang's multicultural heritage, featuring everything from local hawker delights to international cuisine.
Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and be the first to join me on my next adventure.
Here are a few places I tried during my food hunt. 1. Penang Street Food Corner. For a taste of authentic Penang flavors, this spot is a must-visit. I couldn't resist ordering a plate of char kway teow. The wok smoky aroma was simply irresistible. Another highlight was the Penang laksa, which was tangy, spicy, and bursting with flavor. 2. Japanese Delight at Sushi King. Craving Japanese? Sushi King serves freshly made sushi, ramen, and donburi. I treated myself to a salmon lover platter and a piping hot bowl of miso soup. 3. Western Indulgence at TGI Fridays. If you're in the mood for Western cuisine, TGI Fridays is a great option. Their juicy burgers and cheesy pastas are perfect for a hearty meal. I tried their loaded nachos, which were a great mix of crispy and creamy. 4. Dessert at Tea Live. No food hunt is complete without dessert. I grabbed a refreshing brown sugar bubble milk tea from Tea Live. The soft pearls and sweet caramel flavor were the perfect way to end my meal. A unique foodie experience. What makes food hunting at First Avenue special is the variety. From budget-friendly options at the food court to more upscale restaurants, there's something to suit every craving and budget. Plus, the mall's central location makes it easy to hop over after exploring Georgetown's historical landmarks. First Avenue Penang is more than just a shopping destination, it's a food lover's dream. Whether you're in the mood for local classics or international treats, this mall has it all. Next time you're in Penang, make sure to add First Avenue to your food hunting itinerary. Stay tuned for more exciting travel and food adventures, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support, and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.